Howdy, folks. This is Texas Dicer, and this is part 2 of my Iron Don't strategy that was put out there and presented by Casino Quest. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a fresh bankroll here. So let me clean all this up. And we're starting again with a $500 bankroll. And let's see how well we do. See if we do any better on this round 2. All right, so again, like I said, we're starting out with a $500 bankroll, and let's go ahead and get a point established. If you haven't seen part 1 of this series, go look at part 1 where it kind of explains the basics of the strategy. So here we go. And a 12, midnight, 6, 6, 12. 6, 5, 1, easy 6. Our point is 6. All right, so we're going to tell the dealer we want the 5, 6, and 8. He's going to give us some change for that. $15 in change. And we're going to take that $15 of change and put it in the field. Here we go. 9, 5, 4, 9. So that's going to be a field winner of $15. So we're going to take that field and put it over here in the don't. Holy cow, 3, 4, 7. That's a loser. So this is probably going to turn out a lot like the first part, and where I'm going to lose everything. So let's kind of see what we got. And we got a 6, a 4, 2, 6. Our point is going to be 6. We'll mark that 6. And we're going to go back out here. $15 change. Put that in the field. 9, 5, 4, 9. That's going to be a field winner. So we're going to pay that field and move that was winnings only over here to the don't. Keep the field up. And an 8, 5, 3, 8. At least we got past those first 2 rolls to where our don't was moved. And we're going to go ahead and tell the dealer we're going to come down. I'm sorry, I forgot to pay that out again. So that pays $35 on that 8, and we lost that field. Again, I apologize for that. All right, so now we're hoping that we get the 7 so we can win on that 8. A 6, that's our point. 6, easy 6. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get that. Come out 7 so we can win on that 8. And we rolled 6 again. 4, 2, easy 6. So we're back out on that 6. 9, 5, 4, 9. Like I said, this can sometimes be a boring strategy when you're out here just waiting for the 7 to roll because you only have one bet out there. But it's the way the strategy was presented. And we've got a 6, 4, 10. Midnight. And a 6, 3, 9. 6, 3, 9. Now just remember, if we do roll that 8, we're going to lose that don't and those odds. And 4, 4, 2, 2, 4. Come on. 4, 2, 6. That's our point. 4, 2, 6. All right. Let's get that come out 7. And we rolled the 9. The point is 9. Now this is usually where me personally, I get a little antsy, where I want to start putting some bets out there, thinking that this might be a really long roll. But I'm going to stick with the strategy. A 5, 4, 1, 5. 7, 7 out. I'm glad I stuck with the strategy, because had I not, I probably would have lost all my bets. All right, so this is going to, flat bet is going to come out here, and it's going to pay even money. And then on the 8, it's going to come out, and it's going to pay a quarter. All right, so I don't remember what shooter that was. I thought that was my, yeah, that was my second shooter. Sorry about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put here, that was my initial $100. So this is all profit on that particular shooter. All right, we're going to our third shooter. And we roll a 4, 2, 2, 4, hard 4. And go out on that 5, 6, and 8. $3, $15 and change. All right, here we go. 9, 6, 3, center field 9. So we're going to win in the field. We'll win $15 in the field, and we're going to move that over to the don't. 6, 3, 3, hard 6. We're going to lose in the field, but that's going to pay $35 on this 6. And this is going to move to the 6. So we're going to come down, take 30 odds. We at least got through our big risk of our $100. Now we only have basically, it's actually $15, I think, in risk at this time. Nope, it's $10 risk. All right, here we go. And a 5, 3, 2, 5. 7, 7 out. So that was a nice short roll, and we're going to pay even money on the flat, and we're going to pay $20 on that. Was that point? I can't remember if we had that out on the 6 or the 5, to be honest. So apologize. I shouldn't have moved it so quick. It seems like it was the 6, so I'm going to pay a quarter. If I made a mistake on that, I apologize. It's just a nickel difference. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get out on this. Like I said, I am definitely not a dealer. I make a lot of mistakes when I'm dealing myself, and that's just the way it is. All right, puck's going to go off. We're going to get a new point. This is our fourth shooter. 5, 4, 1, 5. We'll mark that 5. And we'll go 85 inside, or on the 5, 6, and 8. All right, here we go. Get some good rolls. 5. That was our point. A 3, 2, 5. All right, so that we're going to lose our field, but we are going to win $35 on this 5. And since that was our point, I'm just going to take all this winnings for right now and put it in my rack and wait for the come out roll. 7, 4, 3, 7. And a 5. Back out on that 5. 3, 2, 5. All right, so we're going to take $15. This is our last winnings, $15 that we won. Put it in the field and take the rest of that 20 and go in the don't come. Come on, let's just get a good number here. And a 6, 5, 1, 6. All right, so this is going to move out here to the 6. We're going to take 30 odds and we're going to bring everything down. Once again, let me pay that first. So it's going to pay 25.35, and I'm losing this field bet on the 6. Now I'm going to go 30 odds and bring everything down. All right, here we go. And a yo 11. 6-5 yo. 9, center field 9. Again, we're in that stage of this strategy where we're just sitting there pretty much not doing anything. As 6, we sniped ourselves off on that 6. So that 6 is going to lose. But we've got a little bit of money in our rack, so we can go back out. Now, we are going to be $10 short to go back out. So we're going to take this and we're going to go back out on the 6, 8, 5, 6, and 8. But you can see we only have $5 left in our rack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to borrow from my profits on one of these so I can go $15 out. We'll pay that profit back here in a little bit. I borrowed that from that second shooter. And a 7 out. So that ended up being a very poor decision, right? Well, that's just the way it goes. So we're going to have to move into our next shooter. All right, this is our 5th and final shooter. And we rolled a 10, a 6, 4, 10. Our point is 10. And we'll go back out on that 5, 6, and 8. And give us $15 in change. We're going to move that to the field. Here we go. Come on, let's get a good roll here. A 6, 5, 1, 6. That's going to pay $35 here, but we're going to lose that field bet. I should have paid that out in nickels, so give me a second. All right, so we're going to put $15 back in the field and $20 over on the don't come. A 3, 2, 1, 3. We kind of like this roll because we're going to get paid twice. So we're going to get paid in the field for the 3. We're also going to get paid on our don't for that 3. So I'm going to go ahead and just take all this winnings and rack it and leave my bets where they were. All right, come on. Let's see if we can get another 3. That'd be nice. A 12, midnight. All right, again, we're going to get paid in the field. That pays double in the field. Some tables pay triple on the 12. My table only plays double. So we're going to go double in the field. But this right here is a push because it's a bar 12, which means it's a tie, and they're not going to pay it. So you don't lose it, you don't win it. All right, so we're going to take those winnings and rack them. Here we go. We need to really get that don't come established. And we rolled a 4. That's a good number for a don't bet. So this is going to move to the 4, and we're going to pay here on the field, $15 on the field. So we're going to come down and put $30 over here on that odds bet for the 4, and we're going to collect the rest. So that's our $100 back, and so we're $50 up on this shooter right now. All right, let's see what we got. A 7 out. So that worked perfectly for us. So this is going to pay even on our flat bet. So that's going to be $20 on the flat. And since the 4 pays $1 for every 2 bet, that $30 bet is going to pay $15. All right. So that was our last shooter. So let's see where we are in our chip rack here. Let's see if we made any profit. I think we probably made a little bit of profit here, so we'll have to wait and see. That's 100, 200, 300. This is $100 in fives, so that's our 400. And let me grab another $100 in fives. All right, so that's our initial bankroll, which is $500. So we've got 25, 50, $75. So we didn't win a lot. We won $75 off of 5 shooters, but better than last time, which was a loss. Like I said, that is the iron don't that I'm calling the iron don't strategy. So as you can tell, it can win, it can lose, but it's a fun strategy to play if you're just kind of hanging around the casino. Um, you can lose pretty quickly, but typically I've rolled this out using the Crapsy app several times, and I've won some good money, and I've lost as well, as you can see. Anyway, I may try to do one more recording at the bubble craps level, just for those that have a much smaller bankroll than $500. And so until next time, good luck at the casino.